Good evening, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Saturn conjunction with five planets in the sign Pisces, a totally watery sign, and in the nakshatra of Purvabhadra. But at the same time, when Saturn is getting conjunct with Rahu, there is also an eclipse just few hours before Saturn ingresses in Pisces. Saturn in Aquarius is very healthy and pious because it is its Mool Trikona sign and the house of desires. And most of our desires, business, and everything for the past 2 to 3 years has been very good. But my dear friends, the moment Saturn goes in the 12th house of the natural zodiac and afflicted by Rahu and other five planets along with it, that Saturn will not have any choice of its own. And it is the 12th house of the natural zodiac. It will aspect Saturn in the second house of the natural zodiac by third aspect, and it will also be in the nakshatra of Jupiter. So it will spoil the significations of Jupiter and wealth. Wealth will not come easily as it has been coming in the past 2.5 years. People have made lot of money in the stock markets, and the retail investors have retail investors have invested in the stock and financial markets, and they have made easy gains. But the moment Saturn, when it becomes direct and goes in Purvabhadra nakshatra on the 28th December 2024 till 3 degrees 20 minutes, it is going to create havoc. And there will be a recession in the stock and financial markets. Some astrologers are talking about 28% fall in the month of October. My dear friends, it is not possible for such a big fall. The fall, as a matter of fact, Nifty will be range bound between 23,000 to 26,000 plus minus 500 points. And especially September, from Monday onwards, the market will again go up. It will go steeply up. And then, because Rahu is in stationary, forward, and retrograde motion, there will be strong ups and downs between September, middle of September to end of October 2024. Mars ingress in Cancer on the 20th October to 31st October will be prone for the market to take some break, or I may say it may fall down. But as I mentioned, that the Nifty will be range bound between 23,000 to 26,000 and plus minus 500 points of Nifty. But my dear friends, the eclipse of the 29th October 2025, which is taking place, and after few hours Saturn is joining and Mars aspect Ketu is not very good. And especially if the day is falling on the Pisces new moon chart, and the Lord of the year is Sun and the minister of the year is Moon, and both are afflicted in afflicted condition. So it is not good at all. This year will be a struggling year, and the lunation is taking place in the 8th house. Please read my article. I cannot discuss everything, but at the same time, due to the lunation in the 8th house and the luminaries afflicted badly, is not good. So friends, and it will be in close degrees with Sun and Moon, and especially Saturn will be in very close degrees with Rahu. So it is a time of recession, and especially when Mars activates the 14 degrees, 14.47 degrees of the solar eclipse of the 29th March. So between 29th March to 2nd of July will be a period which will be prone for economy breakdown in the southeastern countries of the world. The recession may start from Japan and then it will come to the south eastern part of the world. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to discuss. And these two eclipses together in the month of September and October are also explosive. These three eclipses will change the total scenario upside down, and the wars will escalate. There will be lot of trouble from water, and people living near sea and coastal areas will have lot of problems. There can be earthquakes, there can be terrorism, the war will escalate. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share that the time, make the hay while the sun shines. So the time is good till 28th of December. After 28th of December, the time will become very difficult. So my suggestion would be, make the best of it and utilize it in the rainy days. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.